Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have a brand new update for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. This is going to be the March software and security update with important enhancements to various components of your smartphone. So let's dive in and get started right away. So to get the update, what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and I'm going to mention which phones are getting this update as of now. But you can see it says software update is available. If I go down, tap on software update, tap on download and install, you can see it is right here. If I scroll down, it is a sizable update. It is 424 megabytes. The security patch level is for March, so we have the latest patches applied, making the phone more secure. Now this phone is running One UI 6.1 like many other phones, so that's what most phones getting this update are going to be at. So 6.1, Android 14, and version ending in CYB3. Now if you look over here, we have device stability, new and or enhanced features, and further improvements to performance as usual. So I'm going to tap on install now, but before I do that, let me mention which phones should be getting this update right now. So the S25 is going to be separate. Right now, you'll be seeing these updates on the S24 series, S23 series, which is this one right here, and then Z Fold 6, Flip 6, 5, and 4. That's what we know so far, but of course it's going to expand to more smartphones. So when the S25 gets it, we're going to cover that separately. It might be a little bit different, but let's tap on install now. We're going to be right back. All right, so we're back. The update is now complete. You can see it right here. Tap on OK. And let's first look at the exact security patches, which are very important. So for some reason I'm seeing this, it's gone. Okay, so that's gone. So let's go all the way down, go to About Phone. All right, and then we're going to tap on Software Information. And at the bottom, we can look at the security patch. It is March 1st. Click it. It'll take you to the website. And then, as I scroll down, I tap on Read. Then I go over to Samsung right here. All right. And then you can see, here's the March. And wow, this is very, very important. Okay. Look at how many critical patches that we have. That is for security vulnerabilities that were fixed. Then we have a whole bunch of high fixes and basically nothing in moderate. So mostly it was high and critical security flaws that were patched. Okay, you can scroll down and you can read the details. Definitely very important update if you're getting it. Alrighty, so that's the security. You can read the details as you please as you go down. Now let's look at other stuff. Now this is the S23 Ultra. It's been a very smooth and solid phone, so it is smooth as ever, no problems. Let's go to the settings, up and down. Not seeing anything particularly standoutish. It is just as smooth as before. Okay, let's launch an application. Let's launch one more. Okay, very nice. All right. If you don't have One UI 7.0 yet, don't worry. This is One UI 6.1 is already an amazing piece of software, despite all the crybabies that we have all over the internet. Now, if I go back over here, I just want to show you something under software update. Again, look, it says we have a lot of bug fixes. That's not something you can see, so that's going to happen under the hood. And it says new and or enhanced features. So we don't have anything new, but we do have enhancements to existing features. That just means they run better. Nothing tangible that you can see. The usual incremental improvements to performance. Now let's check a couple more things. First, we're going to go to the store, see if we have any app updates. We may not have them on this phone. Actually, looks like we have something here. So this is just regular apps, no big deal. I did update earlier, so everything did get updated. So make sure you come here and tap on Update All if you do see something here. Okay, that's that. And then let's make sure Google System Security Update is also up to date. So come over here, go into Security and Privacy, and look at the updates right here. And this one, it says September on mine. So I'm going to tap it. Most likely I have an update. And I do. I'm going to tap on download and install. Okay, so we're going to install that. We're going to restart the phone. And I want to see what month it tells me after the update is complete. That's the month you should be at. All right, so we're back. I'm going to go into my settings right over here. security privacy, updates, and we are at February. That's very good. Okay, usually this thing lags behind a couple months, but we are up to date all the way up to February for Google Play System update. But that's about it, guys, for this update. Make sure you do all these updates. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.